Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about how to turn off the real-time protection in Windows 11 using some of the safe methods. Now, before we jump in, let's quickly talk about what is real-time protection actually is and why you might want to disable it. So, real-time protection is a built-in feature of Windows security. So, it's formerly known as Windows Defender. It actively scans your files, downloads and background processes to actually keep your computer safe from threats. But sometimes it can block the safe programs and interrupt with the installations, or it can use up the system resources when you are doing something intensive like gaming or testing any software. So whether you are just installing the trusted third-party application or if you just need to turn it off temporarily for the performance reason, I will walk you through the steps to actually disable the real-time protection and how you can actually turn back it on later if needed. So before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links in the description and be sure to check those out after watching that. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you just have to simply open the start menu of your settings. So here you just have to simply click on the taskbar and you need to go to taskbar settings. Then you will be landed on this page where you just have to simply hover over to the left hand section and click on privacy and security. Now in privacy and security you will see a bunch of different options, but we have to work with Windows security. So click on Windows security option. Now in Windows securities, again you will see a bunch of different options like virus and threat protect, account protection, firewall and network protection, app and browser control. So here among the given options, you need to select this option that says virus and threat protection. Once you click on it, this type of window will open in front of you where you just have to scroll down, and here underneath virus and threat protection settings you will see manage settings. So click on manage settings and over here you will see real-time protection. Now underneath it you will see this toggle button, so you just have to simply click on it and you need to simply turn it off. Now you will get a warning that your device may be vulnerable, and that's normal. Windows is going to ask that. You can just come back here anytime to turn it back on, and Windows may automatically turn the real-time protection back on after a while or after a reboot for security reasons. So you can just follow this setting and from here you can easily turn it off. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more Windows related guides. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.